So then moving on to the next ayah, which starts like hasibta anna. Okay, is easy, like am. Hasibta. Then there is ha. This is not hasibta. No, okay? Ha. Hasibta. Then ha and sin with a bit more whistle sound, air in it, s, and then we are saying hasib. So the sound of ba is again reflecting because it is the quality of this letter, okay? Sib. There are 5 letters, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Okay, hasib. Hasibta anna ashab al-kahfi. So again, there comes noon with tashdid on it. So whenever there is going to be noon with tashdid or meme with tashdid, we are going to do gunna, which means we are going to stay for a bit on noon, and we are going to, the sound of it goes into the nasal like this. Anna. Okay. Ashab al-kahfi. Okay, then there comes again saw letter. So saw, we are going to make it heavy by, raising the back part of our tongue like this. Saw, saw, rather than sa. Okay. Aus, aushabal, ausha, ha, aushabal kahfi warraqimi. Okay, ashabal kahfi. So we are going to differentiate the sounds, okay? Kaf and ha. Kahfi, rather, okay? We are going to say kahfi, kah, ha, ha. Ka and ha, kah, kah. Okay. Ashabal kahfi, fi. So in fa as well, there is this fa, air, okay? So we are going to put the tip of our upper teeth onto the lower lips, and we are going to say fa by removing air from our mouths like fa, fa. أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا. So whenever waw comes, you need to remember that we are going to shape our lips in a round position when saying wow. Okay, wa. Okay, warraqimi. Then again, there is letter ra, and we are going to make it heavy. Okay, rather than warraqimi, we are going to say warraqimi. Okay, so we're going to make this heavy because it has fatha symbol on it, and there are rules of ra when to make it heavy or when to make it light. Okay, so we are saying warraqimi. Then comes letter qaf. Qaf. We're not going to shape our lips in a round position when saying qaf. Okay, we're going to put the lips in a natural position, but we are going to raise the back part of our tongue to make it a bit heavy, and this qaf comes from it articulates from the position when the back part of our tongue touches the hard palate, and that is how the qaf comes. This is not ka, okay, the k of English. This is qa rather than ka, qa. I hope you can hear the difference. Qa. Warraqimi. Okay, qaf needs with strength, okay? وَالرَّقِيمِ كَانُوا مِنْ آيَاتِنَا عَجَبًا. Okay, so the next word is a bit easy, right? كَانُوا, كَانُوا. Okay, كَانُوا مِنْ آيَاتِنَا عَجَبًا. Okay, min. So there is kasra in me, so we are going to say min, min. كانوا من آياتنا عجبا. So the next word is easy. آياتنا. Okay. And then عجبا with عين. عجبا. عجبا. Okay.